What's up YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy back with another video, and today my friends over at Padmate, they sent me the PaMu Unique. This is one of their latest products. They sent me a couple of other things to check out. This looks like a wireless charger. This looks like one of their special covers. So, you know what we're gonna do today, right? Come on, tell me. You know. Do you know? I know you know, but I'm gonna tell you anyways. Today, we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna do the mic test. I'm gonna tell you how they sound, and we're gonna go from there. So sit back, relax, pause the video real quick, go grab your popcorn, and let's just have a little bit of fun. What do you say? I'm in. You in? Let's do it. Blech! So first, what it says on the back here, this is Bluetooth 5.0, has a dual microphone, noise reduction system, touch button, IPX6 waterproof certification, and 10 hours of music playback time. It also has the Qualcomm aptX audio codec, which is super cool. Let's just open this up. I'm kind of excited. I've been a little behind on getting this out to you guys. I've actually had this probably a couple of weeks sitting in the studio here. Man, it is raining cats and dogs outside. It's been raining, I don't know, for like a week straight. This box is nice. It feels like a premium box. Has some nice coating on it. Feels good. I like the way this box feels. You ready? Haha, gotcha. There's another top. I didn't know that. I didn't get you. Boom! Boom! Wow! You know, this reminds me of the PaMu slide that I recently unboxed, I don't know, probably a month or two ago. What does it say over here? It says, for first use, put the earphones into the charging case and then fully charge the earbuds up. Take the left and right earphones from the charging case and open the Bluetooth search and search for PaMu Unique, and then click connect. So I'm hoping that these have some sort of charge so we can skip the full charging step. Right here on the box, it's kind of cool. It has this translucent smoked plastic over top here. Here they are. Let's pull this up. Always throwing things on this channel, dropping things. One day I'm gonna break something. This is definitely an interesting case. So you can see here, we do have USB Type-C. Let's get these earbuds out. Maybe. This is the left one. Let's put it in the left side. Right one in the right side. They are now seated, I think. Yes, they're both lit up as if they're charging. Let's go a little further into the box. And while we're digging around, I'm going to plug in, charge. What else we have in here? So you have a really nice, this is what I like right here. It's a really nice carrying case. If you're gonna throw it in your book bag, you can protect everything. We have some extra ear tips. Now there's two different sets. If I remember correctly, you have a small plus, medium plus, large plus, and then these are small, medium, large, and one is gonna give you a little bit more bass than the other. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below, but I'm pretty sure I'm right with that. You have your USB-C to A cable, your get started guide, and that's it. That's all that's in the box here. Now we're gonna take a look at the actual cover itself. Let's see what they sent us. There's instructions on here, how to clip it on. This is definitely different, guys. This is kind of cool. Definitely unique. Ha, it's definitely unique. These are some cool, interesting looking covers. Looks like they're magnets on the back. Let's try it on. Bang. That's it. That's how it goes. Pretty interesting. Let's try this one. Pretty dope. Try the last one on. I think I like the first one the best, personally. Pretty cool. Which one do you guys like the best? Here's all three. See, there I go throwing things again. Here's all three side by side. Which one do you guys like the best? I think this one almost looks like the D brand Swarm sticker, kinda. It's pretty cool though. Definitely a cool design. I'm gonna stick that one on there. I'm gonna leave that one. That's the one I'm going with. Let's check out the wireless charger. Let's see here, what do we got? This is kind of cool, guys. Check this out. You got USB-C to wireless. Interesting. I guess this is just gonna, how does this work? Wow. So it plugs in to the bottom of the case here, and then I guess you just stick it on top of a Qi wireless charger, and that's it. Cool, I like that idea, man. These guys thought of some unique things here. I like it. Pretty dope. So what are we gonna do next? You know, I'm gonna check these out. Let's see how they sound, because, I mean, sound is pretty important, right? Yeah. Up next, we're gonna check out how these sound, because obviously that's one of the most important things. One, looking cool is great, right? Looking different is great. Being unique is great. But to me, more important is how they sound. So let's get them paired up with my phone. First thing I'll tell you is they paired individually. My left ear paired first. It said pairing successful. Then I heard it again over in my right ear. Good news is we are paired successfully. So what I want to do now is I got to adjust the tip for my left ear. So I went from the mediums, which come pre-installed on here, to a small. That's a lot better. That's better. That is better. So let's open up the YouTube music app. Let's hit it. Whoa. The highs are nice. Ooh. Bass hits hard. Alright guys, so the sound is really good. The highs are clear and crisp. The mids are good. They seem a little distorted, but the bass hits really hard. I like them. I like the way they sound. I think they do a good job with the whole spectrum of sound overall. These were originally $199. They are on sale on padmate-tech.com today for 89 bucks. They sound great for 89 bucks. I think they are a really good set of earbuds that look different, right? Because everybody's got the same style that hang. They look like ear pods. These are definitely different. The case is cool. You can make it your own. I like it. Got wireless charging or not. It's your choice. Choice is good, right? So it passed the sound test. I think it's good. For 89 bucks at the current price, it's great. Let's see if it passes the mic test. Let me know. Here we go.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice using the PaMu Unique earbuds. How does my voice sound? Is it clear? Is it crisp? Are you able to hear me good? Let's go ahead and introduce the ambient noise. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the PaMu Unique earbuds. How does my voice sound with the ambient noise running in the background? Are you still able to hear me clearly? Is it blocking the noise? Is my voice getting broken up while I'm speaking? Let me know. Let me know everything in the comments below.
All right, guys, so for 89 bucks, I think they sound great. As long as they pass the mic test, I'm gonna say go ahead and buy yourself a pair. If you want something different that's kind of cool and unique. That's all I got for you today, guys. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of my next video. Peace. I'll talk to you in the next one.